Hi friends, how are you all? Today we will start our lesson number 13, manufacturing industries. Industries play a key role in the economic development of the country. Dear students, this unit is very important. Please understand very carefully. Industrially developed countries like USA, United States America, Russia and Japan have strong economies. Those countries which are not industrially developed or are less developed are not able to make optimum use of their resources. They sell their resources as raw material at a cheap rate to other countries and buy finished goods from the foreign countries at a higher price. Manufacturing industries contribute about 29% of the national production of India. In 1853, the first industrial complex of iron furnace based on charcoal was founded, but it failed. The first cotton textile mill was set up in Mumbai in 1854. Please underline. And the first jute mill was set up at Rishra near Kolkata in 1855. Please understand and underline. These topics are very important for you. In 1874, a factory of Kulti for making iron ore which was closed after a few years. It was restarted in 1881. In 1907, the Tata Iron and Steel Company was founded at Jamshedpur. Next topic is classification of industries. Industries are divided on basis of human labor, ownership, and the source of raw material. What is on the basis of human labor? Let's see. The industries can be divided as small scale and large scale industry. Example, cotton and textile industry. Those industries where the number of laborers is less and it is individually owned, it is called small scale industry. Example, sugar industry. On the basis of ownership, industries can be classified as private, public, joint sector and cooperatives. They are owned by the individual, they are called private. Next is on the basis of source. Industries using agro-based raw material are called agro-based industries, and if they use minerals as raw material, they are called mineral-based industries. Cotton textile, jute, silk, woolen textile, sugar, paper are agro-based industries, while iron and steel industries, aluminum industries, copper, chemical, fertilizer, and cement are mineral-based industries. Our next and important topic is cotton textile industries. Textile industries is the industry which provide maximum employment in the country. India holds second rank. Please underline and understand. India second rank after China in the export of cotton textile. India is first rank in our rank. China is first rank and India is second rank. It is the main industry from production and employment points of view. The first cotton mill was established in Mumbai. Thereafter, Shahpur mill and Kaliko mill were established in Ahmedabad in Gujarat. In the initial years, the cotton textile mills were established in Mumbai and Ahmedabad because of cheap cotton, availability of labor, transport facilities, ports for export, and favorable markets. Today, cotton textile mills are located in about 100 cities of the country. Some important centers are Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Coimbatore, Kanpur, Kolkata, etc. There are more mills in Mumbai, hence it is called Cottonopolis of India. Ahmedabad is called and Manchesters of the East. Please underline Manchesters of East, denim city of the India. Today, India exports cotton textile cloth to Russia, United Kingdom, United States of America, Sudan, Nepal, Australia, France, and South Africa countries. Next topic is jute textile industries. Jute is the second major agro-based industry of India. India holds first place in the productions of jute and goods made from jute. India is second place after Bangladesh in the export of jute. Of the total jute productions of the country, West Bengal produce 80%, Andhra Pradesh about 10, and the rest of produce Bihar, UP, Madhya Pradesh, Tripura, Assam, and Odisha. Most of jute mills are located in West Bengal on the banks of the Hooghly, as a lot of water is required to purify jute. The other reasons are cheap labor and infrastructural facilities like banks, insurance, port for export facilities. Our next topic is silk textile. Let's see how silk is useful for us. Silk productions has a long traditions. After China, India ranks second in silk productions. In India, four types of silk are produced: mulberry, edi, tassar, and muga. Today, there are about 300 silk weaving mills in India. Major states producing silk are Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, and Jammu Kashmir. Silk cloths are exported to Europe, Africa, and Gulf countries. India's silk is facing a tough competition from China. Next topic is woolen textile industries. Let's see. As a cottage industry, the history of woolen textile industry is very old. Maximum woolen mills are in Punjab and Maharashtra. Ahmedabad and Jamnagar in Gujarat are centers of woolen cloths. Other major centers are Bikaner and Jaipur, Rajasthan, Srinagar, Jammu Kashmir, and Bengaluru, Karnataka. Next topic is jute is over. Next topic is sugar industries. Sugar industry stands second after textile in agrarian industry in India. After the sugar cane crop is repeated, the juice is removed from the sugar cane stem to make sugar and jaggery. If the sugar cane dries up, the sucrose content is reduced. That is why the sugar factories are located near the sugar cane fields. Maximum sugar cane is grown in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra. So maximum factories are found in these states. In Gujarat, sugar cane grows in South India. So the sugar factories are located in Badoli, Gandevi, Olpad, Viara, Bharuch, Kodinar, and Talala Gir. Next topic is paper industry. Paper is made out of softwood, bamboo, grass, and molas. It is produced in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Odisha, Karnataka, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu, and Haryana. Our next topic is
why it is iron and steel.
next topic is in steel industries. The iron and steel industry is the base and key industry for economic development. The process of making iron is very old in India. Iron was imported from India to make swords and Damascus. Swords in Damascus. Sword means talwar. The first factory in India to produce iron was established at Portonova in Tamil Nadu. Then a successful production of raw iron was made in Kulti. In 1907, the Tata Iron Steel Company was set up at Jamshedpur. Iron and steel factories are there in Burnpur in West Bengal and Bhadarwati in Karnataka. Iron or coal, limestone, and manganese are used as raw material for producing steel. A mini steel plant has been found near Hazira in Gujarat. Steel Authority of India SAIL looks after additions of the iron and steel factories of India. India ranks 5th in the world in iron and steel production. Okay, dear students, let's remaining unit we will continue next lecture. Okay, thank you.